In a single year, 235 children in Texas daycare centers were hospitalized due to poisonings caused by medications or drugs. That's why in Texas, there are clear rules to protect children from being improperly medicated at daycare. The Texas Health and Human Services outlines these standards. A daycare must get permission from you, the parent, before giving your child any medication. It doesn't matter if it's something over the counter like Tylenol or a prescription medication. There are 3 ways you can give permission. First, you can provide written authorization that's signed and dated. Second, you can give consent electronically using a secure format like DocuSign or a PDF. Lastly, in urgent cases, you can give verbal consent over the phone, but that only allows for a single dose of medication. Written or electronic permissions are only valid for 1 year, so the daycare must keep these authorizations up to date if your child regularly needs medication. If a daycare gives your child medication without your consent, it can quickly become dangerous. Even something as simple as Tylenol can trigger an allergic reaction. In some severe cases, unauthorized medication can cause a child to experience anaphylactic shock, seizures, or even worse, requiring immediate medical attention. This is why daycares must ensure their staff is trained and knowledgeable about the rules. They should have clear protocols in place to ensure your child only receives the medications you've approved and in the correct doses. It can be hard to tell if your child has been given medication without your knowledge, but there are some behavioral signs you should watch out for. Changes in sleep patterns, frequent nightmares, difficulty concentrating, and increased anxiety or temper tantrums. If your child starts showing any of these behaviors, it's important to investigate further. If you believe your child has been given medication without your permission, it's crucial to act quickly. First, seek medical attention if necessary, especially if your child is showing signs of an allergic reaction or unusual behavior. Next, gather any evidence such as medical records or daycare communications. You should also request a written incident report from the daycare and document everything. This can help you hold the daycare accountable. If you're in this position right now, reach out to us. Let's discuss what happened and the steps we can take to move forward together. If you have more questions but aren't ready to talk to us just yet, we've created a free 5-step guide on what to do after a daycare injury. It's linked below. We're here to keep you and your family moving forward.